All right, guys, let me give you the weekly update. Live after divorce, picking myself up from the ashes. First, my revenue streams. If you guys remember, for the last 2 months, I've only been doing the gig apps, DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, making at least $500 a month to pay my bills. I just needed a break from running the business because it was a lot. I was going through a lot. But little by little, I started coming back. And now I'm relaunching my social media management. Here are different ways. Number one, I'm training camera people. And you know what? I always try to see the silver lining, the blessing in disguise. I feel like because I don't want to travel anymore far, I have to figure out a way to train camera people. And I got one in Sacramento, and I got one in San Fernando Valley, and they're recording for me. What? So I'm still learning on how to train, but imagine I have camera guys all over the country. How many clients am I gonna get? Sheesh! But of course, I still have my own clients here in Fresno. But of course, I still have my own clients here in Fresno, Bakersfield, that I go record. Damn. People are gonna think I'm crying over here, bro. These are tears of joy, my guy. Now, the cough took me out. Not only that, I'm also doing a lot of training, teaching people how to start their own social media management, consultations, on how people could improve on social media. And I got back to my own channel, creating monthly content. That's going pretty well. Where I'm planning on starting more channels. We'll see. Taking it slow. So not only am I rebuilding my business, I'm also losing weight, which is gotta be my next business, but I'm taking my time with it. For last month, I've been stuck at 230. I just cracked 229, my boy. So I'm making progress. My goal is 200 pounds. And things are going great. Of course, there's still a lot I gotta figure out. There's still a lot I gotta deal with. But just showing you that life is gonna knock you down and you're gonna feel like giving up. And you're gonna, hey, sometimes we're gonna lay there for a while. But eventually, we need to get back up. And we need to become, here's the thing, we need to become stronger. That's what I'm trying to do, man. That's what I'm trying to do. Just to show you. You could get knocked down, but don't give up. And if you need time, hey, take your time. But sooner or later, get back up.